out here with Bao and Sherry. We're waiting for the homie Fat. Oh, I think he's pulled up actually. He's outside. So we're at Jamba Juice. If you guys haven't tried the green machine or the orange juice machine, it's just fire.
I had the green juice.
Oh yeah, her
so
birthday's
good.
coming up and Bao got her some gloves.
So sweet. I love them.
There he goes right there. There's Fat. I don't think he hear you. Oh yeah, Fat, Cherry, Fat. This is their first time meeting. So I guess we're gonna be waiting for a little bit because this one wants to have a beer. So I guess we're gonna go to a bar first.
It's Modelo time, fool.
We're about to connect our cardos.
All right, let's go.
And then, this is Cherry's bike, in case you was wondering. She rides an Indian as well. It's an Indian Scout.
I have one in my.
Okay. And then, you know, Paul's Fat Paul. My shoes. Hey, you guys want some of this? I'm gonna toss it.
Hell no, I didn't like that.
No? You're good? So we're a little late to the barbecue because everyone took off. But it's all good. And then we probably next to another Indian Scout. We don't know who that is, but try not to block them in. Try to be respectful, you know what I mean? Let's go buy some beers at the gas station.
Nah, it's not beer, it's beatboxes.
What's a B-box? You say B-box?
Beatbox.
Oh, okay. Okay, B-box. Never had it, but today's the first day, I guess. Yeah, it's a beautiful day. Sunny San Diego, man. Winter time and it's still nice. Were you cold?
No.
We out here at the beach and then Sherry's getting harassed by these little
These kids are bullying me right now. Are you kidding?
This one over here forgot his
back to meditating
phone
or
password.
Oh, you can't see it. I gotta wait 5 minutes.
Yeah.
Gotta do it all the way over
If you guys haven't been to San Diego, it's beautiful out here. That's all?
I've never actually had this. Can
Me
I
neither.
try it?
Yeah, try it.
What's the best flavor?
What flavor is this one? Lemonade. Fruit punch.
Punch, lemonade, blueberry.
So we're just waiting on John because I guess everyone else went home from the barbecue, but
You should have saw that. I just got my sister's leg. Oh.
she makes friends everywhere she goes. Hey, so what is that? It's a selfie stick.
It's a selfie stick, a flashlight, and a speaker.
Well, that's a
Yeah.
speaker on there too.
It's awesome. Oh, and I think it's also a portable charger.
Interesting.
Charger.
That selfie stick does everything. It's like a magic wand.
Yeah, it's a 4-in-1 thing.
Figure out your passcode.
Nah, bro.
What the fuck? You don't know your passcode to your
It's
phone?
15 minutes now.
Damn.
Yes, 3 phones, so.
The matter of mystery.
I literally won't. Oh shit! Every time I take this off the case, I forget how horrible it looks.
Doesn't look bad. I actually like. Oh, okay. Let me see. All right, I think that fool John just pulled up.
He doesn't know how to U-turns, bro, so you gotta go all the way down and make
All
the
right.
bend.
We got these cars right here. You be coming out nice and slow. There he is. What's up, John?
What up, what up?
What's up, fool?
How you been, man?
Good,
Long
yourself?
time no see, bro.
You're gonna be on the tube now, dog.
Huh?
You're gonna be on the YouTube now.
Oh, shit, I
dog.
thought you used a big camera for that.
Nah, I gotta use this. Super easy.
Oh, okay.
It depends on what.
I just use this. But boom.
What's that?
This is his lowrider ST.
Yeah, I got my earplugs on.
Sick with it.
Damn, shit.
His LP6 light.
What's up, pal? Long time no see, bro.
Bugs thing.
Chula Vista. Yeah, of course, man.
Oh, hey, John.
Hey, John, this is Chris.
Cherry.
This is John.
Hey, what's up, Chris?
Cherry, Chris, Cherry. Everyone's saying that she rides better than Chris.
Oh, yeah?
Oh, shit.
Chris identifies as a female now.
Where's Chris at? I thought he was coming out.
Crazy, dog.
I used to do that.
Faster, I feel like.
That Call of Duty.
You need to slow down. You need to slow down.
What's the plan?
I don't know where you guys want to ride to, man. So she's about to call Chris right now, and she's gonna be like,
You
"Hey,
guys are
Daddy."
The other
messed
Indian.
up.
He has another Indian.
Yeah, the other Indian. She's gonna be like, "Hey, Daddy, come out." It's just,
Wait, I gotta look for his
Tom
number.
Collins sick. Tom Collins sick.
yeah, tell him to call him sick and see if he listens.
That fool's a simp, right?
Yeah.
Oh, hey,
I didn't
Chris,
say that.
I didn't say that either,
Hey, that's
dog.
what Fat told me. You know, that's all I heard.
I didn't say that.
Fat has known him all his life.
Oh,
so
that's
he's the one
funny.
that tells me shit.
Wait, I gotta find it. I gotta find it. What's his number? Somebody
Oh,
give me
she
his
didn't
number.
save your number, Chris.
No, shut up.
She didn't save your number.
Chris, you did not create.
Number.
Hey, Pao, you call her and say,
No,
hey,
I'm not gonna
daddy,
call him.
come out. You do it.
All right, 619. Oh, I'm calling.
That's not him. That's not him. He's 858.
Oh, 858.
Hey, but you gotta say like, hey, what are you wearing? You wanna come out?
No, just be like, hey, what are you doing? I left the guys. I want to ride with you.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Tell her that.
Yeah, let's see.
Tell her that. Tell her that.
Tell her.
Cherry,
that.
Cherry. Tell Cherry to listen real quick.
No, just let her call.
What?
Tell her to call and ask if he'll come out.
Say, hey, the guys left me.
So, we're,
I
hey,
wanna
so you two,
ride.
hey, we're trying to get the homie to ride with us because he doesn't want to ride with us, and then maybe he'll want to ride with us.
Yeah.
Can you guys shut
He's
up?
gonna ride with Cherry.
Shut up. You
Cherry.
just gotta be quiet.
Shut up. You're loud as hell.
Cherry, you gotta say like, hey, I left the guys. I wanna ride with you.
Wrong number.
This is the wrong number.
No, it's not.
No, that's the right number. You got a Spanish phone? What up, dog? Hey, man, I'm glad you came out of Chula Vista, dog.
Of course, man.
He only stays in Chula Vista, though.
It's the best place to be.
Speaker. Oh, how do you feel? Hey, he didn't pick up. How do you feel? How do you feel?
He didn't save your number.
Oh, she's heartbroken. She's heartbroken.
Hey, Fat, you try it
I
on your
cannot believe you
phone.
done this
You can't
to
even
me.
get on his phone.
I cannot believe
Here,
it.
I'm gonna call him. I'll call him. See if he picks it.
No.
I'm texting him.
How do you feel, Cherry? Chris didn't reply back to you.
It's a one-time thing, dude.
Yeah, Chris. That's it, dude.
No, he likes doing that, right? They don't like your.
I would have picked up.
He's just waiting. He saw the message. Like, wait, I gotta be cool, you know.
He's playing hard to get. He's playing hard to get.
This guy, I was like, just show up.
Guys,
Hey, but why is she walking away talking to him?
because she loves him.
Chris.
Why are you laughing though? You're supposed to be like,
Hi, Chris. Hi, are you free right now? This is Ayat, Cherry. What's up? The guys left, and I still want to ride. Are you down to ride right now? They left just now. Are you down to ride or what? I don't know. You don't want to choose a place?
I'm getting ready for work right now.
Oh, you don't want to call off work? I'm so bored though. Okay, that's fine. I guess. Okay. Later. What?
wow, he played hard again. Oh shit.
Hey, this was dedicated.
So horrible.
Oh my god.
You guys are so bad.
He's a good employee.
Wow. That's crazy.
I'm texting him. I'm gonna text him.
You hear
now.
that? Here.
Like, just go to work.
motherfucker.
Just go to work.
Yeah, I'd be like, it's a prank, motherfucker. Hell no.
Yeah, we're about to get some halal food.
Oh,
We're about to
yeah.
ride in Mission Valley.
Orale.
Video. Hold on.
Oh,
Let me
okay.
do a video.
We're gonna do a video.
Wait, let me do
Okay.
a video.
We're gonna do a video. We're gonna do a video. We're gonna do a video. Alright, man. So the next spot, Mission Valley. From here, it's like 30 minutes, not that far. Now we gotta connect Cardos with
Is your
John.
Cardo on?
Alright, dude.
This is
No,
Sherry, you gotta get a Cardo.
Soon.
Alright.
I think we're all connected.
It says succeeded for me. Oh, this
You
is
go on the Cardo app, it'll tell you.
Mic check. 1, 2,
Okay,
1, 2.
yeah, I hear
Mic
this voice.
check.
I
Mic
hear this
check.
voice.
1, 2, 1, 2.
Alright,
Hear me.
alright, man.
What up, Chris?
He's still mad.
Why is he mad?
Hey, how's it feel for rejection, bro?
Oh, God.
I'm just kidding. Don't post it.
I am. I'm cut, dude. I'm telling you. Hi, how's it going? The food looks delicious. Oh, it is. Oh, that's shawarma, bro. Have you had it before, Jerry?
Yeah.
What's good? Oh, baklava now. Seven on man.
You get stuck.
Ooh, I'm gonna try some of this garlic sauce, sweet and spicy sauce. What'd you get, bro? What is that?
A plate? I get a lot.
Damn.
A plate, bro.
Okay. Yeah. Ooh, egg roll? Egg roll? That looks good.
Thank you, brother.
Bomb. Thank you. All right, man. I'm gonna eat, and then I'll turn this back on afterwards. What'd you get, Bob? Let me see, bro. That's it. That's it. Bye. See you guys later. Later, guys.
Have fun in the PI.
All right, we were eating shawarmas for a long ass time, but we're about to head to Apple now. This fool wants to unlock his phone and he can't.
I'll let Pal go.
All right, we're in Fashion Valley. It's a mall out here in San Diego. All right, man. Hey, you brought the whole crew out here, bro, just to fix your phone and get the password. That's how bored we are. Because this fool forgot his phone password. Hey, Fat, Apple Store is downstairs. Hey,
Fat, make sure you point at your helmet when people walk by you, alright?
so they know you ride. Hey, you guys ride together? Hey, you rode on the back of her bike, huh? Yeah, Christmas tree, dog.
Trio.
Ah, it's Christmas, dog. Bob's been a bad boy. He's been a bad boy. All right, Fat, let's get your password, dude, and look at your web history.
It's not gonna work.
Huh?
He's a gentle cock.
Here, he's Asian too.
He's Asian too. Fuck. Wipe out, bro.
Straight to his peak.
Yeah. He's like, hey, cousin, help me. All that and he couldn't get it unlocked.
Didn't work.
It didn't work.
Yeah, it's all because of Cherry's fault.
It didn't work.
Alright, where to?
I don't know.
Dude, just think
Let's
back
go
to
drink
number.
somewhere.
Let's go drink somewhere. Yeah, it's a password, dude. It's something that's related to you.
I have 3 phones. So it's kind of
Different boyfriend. He has
Different boyfriend?
right?
Side pieces, right?
Where are we going now?
JT's? Jay's, what's it called? The tavern? Oh,
Hey, right on Netflix, you should be close to your home.
Or the Linda Vista spot is kind of cool.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, that's sick right there.
Have you guys been to the Linda Vista spot?
I haven't been there.
With the skewers?
Yeah, we just got done eating though. We just ate.
No, we just drink. Just drink beers.
What do you think, John? You gonna go?
fuck it, whatever.
Yes.
I know, but we are kind of full.
I'm full, bro. We just got
No,
done
we could
eating
just drink there.
shawarmas.
That girly mixed drink.
Mr. Forgetful lost his helmet key, so now his helmet key is stuck
my
on his
lock
sissy
key.
bar, or his
Can't
lock
open
key.
my bags.
Oh, to open his
How does
bag.
it look? Is it tiny?
Yeah, it looks like this.
Okay.
Oh man, these fools they look like crackheads.
Check the inside.
All right,
of your
so
helmet.
my phone died, so now I'm using my 360 camera to film this, but we're still looking for his key. All right, well, I'm gonna help this fool look for it, and after that
That'll
we'll be
make
back
some
on.
great footage.
Hey, Cherry. All right, Cherry's taking off. See you later. Ride safe, all right?
It's not gonna work, bro.
And then these guys are trying to pop this off because his bags are still stuck and everything's in there.
The thing is, I don't want to break the zipper. That's why. That's why I'd rather just buy a,
Just break the
a
zipper.
bolt cutter.
Oh, fuck, now I can't get it off.
Break this. Oh, the zipper. I see what you're saying.
Home Depot would have
And your wallet too.
There's a closer.
There he goes. Back at Mensuck. They were nice enough to charge my phone. So I got my phone charged. If you guys haven't been here, this is actually a pretty good spot. It's a Korean spot. Press that little button, service comes. But yeah, we used to come out here back in the day. It's a cool spot. Hey, do you have that ski mask?
That's right.
I was smelling it. Sherry, if you watch it, this guy was like, ooh, it smells like cherry.
We'll do it outside.
But yeah, if you guys want to see what this place looks like, this is it right here. And then around the sides like right here, you have karaoke rooms. These are all karaoke rooms. You eat and drink, chill. It's actually pretty dope. And on the sides, yeah, we out here. All right, so this dude said after you take out your chopsticks from the wrapper, he said that it's a chopstick holder. Let's see. Let's just see what it looks like. Let's see. I don't want to get your shit dirty here, but look. Yeah, bro, nothing special.
Thanks, bro. Thanks, brother. Oh, your drinks are ready. They're just being ready. Oh, that's all good.
Cheers, cheers, cheers,
Come
cheers.
by. Cheers, cheers.
Cheers, cheers, cheers.
Cool, thank you.
So drinking food. It's soju. If you guys don't know what soju is, go learn.
Gotcha.
It was smoking, man. It was dying. Oh, fuck, it is hard. Yeah, we got more food. Yeah. Damn, homie, I thought we weren't hungry, dog. That's pretty good. That motherfucker ordered hella food again.
We know the spicy one's good. Even he knows it.
Wait, ordered. Whatever. Okay, here. Ready? I'm sure it won't be that bad. But
All right, now.
bye.
All right.
Chewy chicken.
Another.
Chewy chicken.
He heard me, man.
Chewy chicken.
He heard me.
Cheers.
Cheers to the
That'd be
chewy
funny on
chicken.
video, bro.
Huh? Thank you.
All right, man. Cheers, bro.
Cheers. Kampai. Kampai brothers.
Yo.
Rippers. I rip and I rhyme. I rhyme and I rip.
Bang, bang.
Bang, bang. Who am I, the alien assassin? Big
Oh.
boy.
And so, what's up, man? Arizona Bike Week or what?
I'm down.
All right, dude. You down?
Let's go.
What's up, dog? Arizona Bike
We'll
Week.
see, bro.
Are you still sad because you locked your bags?
Look at this shit, bro.
Oh, show me. Oh, and your phone is locked?
7 hours and 56 minutes. Locked. Let's go, baby.
Cheers.
I gotta pee.
Where you gonna pour this with?
I already drank mine, dog. Here, I got another one.
beer?
Cheers.
More beer.
Cheers.
More beer.
If you guys want to ever lock up your helmets, lock it up using this. It's just a gun lock. Locked it up to my sissy bar and that's it. Good to go. I think hey, you have a helmet lock on, like actual helmet lock?